set, go. Let's see, go.
What's with the leg? Oh my god!
Ta-da!
Now does she know what to do with her hand? Is the other one out? Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Ta-da! Now what? Now swim. Swim. Swim.
Oh, that is too cute. Turn her around, do it again. One more time.
We're doing parlor tricks. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. I'll help you. Ready? Okay, go. Other way. Keep going. Now you're gonna hang out there for a little bit.
Gets up and starts walking.
Oh, you went the wrong way. Okay, I'm gonna help you again. Ready? Okay. No, you just wanna hang out? Okay, this time for real. Okay, ready? Go. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on. Yay, you did it.
Oh my god. That is too cute.
Now what? Hi. Hi. I know. I know. You do. You do. You do. You do. You do. You do it. Hi. You do it.
Can she turn her head this way? Charlotte Rose! Hi!
She's too busy concentrating.
All I get is a bald spot. Hi! Uh-oh, spit up.
Put it right down. Want to sing? The itsy bitsy spider went. Don't touch the spider, please, while we're performing. You don't touch the talent while they're performing. Okay, ready? The itsy bitsy spider. You don't touch the spider. Hold on. Okay, ready? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Don't touch him. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spider. Don't touch the spider. Don't touch the spider. Okay, ready? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Do you like that song?